We are going to quickly talk about how to remove the GoPro finger fork from a ball head mount. This is the new ball head mount that we just recently released. If you have the older ball head mount, the workflow is still the same. Like anything, having the correct tool for the job is very important. This is a pair of simple vice grip, needle nose thin pliers available at any Ace Hardware store. And I am simply going to clamp the base, and then I am going to adjust it and clamp down. I take a big open-ended wrench, put it over the GoPro finger fork like it is a bolt, and then leverage is now on my side, lefty-loosey, and it comes right off. Now granted, these finger forks are put on with a pretty heavy-duty thread lock. However, they're easy to get off with the right tools. Now, you are ready to direct mount your Insta360 or any other camera like a GoPro Hero 12 or Hero 13 with direct industry standard 1/4 20 tripod mount.